Ladies, I am so happy to see that you have both entered your pickles in the pickle judging contest. They look absolutely beautiful, and I bet they are just that same delicious. You folks need to mingle now and enjoy yourselves for the next half hour, and then we are going to crown a lovely queen. After the naming of the queen, we will choose an escort for that lovely lady. It wouldn't be fitting and proper to have a queen without an escort. Of course, the young people all are going to migrate over to the kissing booth, where Miss Kitty Hawkins is right behind there waiting to sell a few kisses. And who do you think's going to be the first one over there to elbow his way in and knock everybody down if it isn't old Mr. Plushbottom himself?
All right, you numbskulls, get out of the way. I'm going to buy 20 kisses from this.
Show me the color of your money, mister.
Oh, yes. It's a genuine $5 gold piece. Clear out of here. I'm going to take Miss Kitty for some refreshment. And then I'm going to collect all of my kisses in private.
and there's more entertainment, and this will give them time to proceed with their plans. Come on, folks, step right up. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. It is time now to choose the queen of the Pumpernickel County Fair. Mr. Plushbottom, beats how you're the newest person in town. I'd like you to take the honor of selecting a name out of this jar. Rising, the suspense is killing us. Wouldn't you know it? It's the lovely Kitty Hawkins. The crown is coming. We had trouble with the jar. Oh, let me just place this crown on your Oh, isn't she lovely? All right. Now, folks, it's time to choose an escort for our lovely fair queen. All you boys, come right on over here and sign your names. All you other girls, grab your men. Grab your men. Mr. Plushbottom himself is one of the first ones. Okay, but before these two can be the escort of our lovely queen, they've got to have a contest. And the contest is going to include a one-legged race, and a wheelbarrow race, and a weightlifting contest. Ooh, However, due to the age of our contestants and the fear of having to speed dial 911, you're just going to have to try to remember that 50 years ago the contest was between Herbie Pugh, which was played by Tom Callahan, and Mr. Plushy's City Slicker, played by Clarence Owens. However, I don't think that either one of them can hold up to this strenuous activities of tonight. All right, let's see it, boys. Give us what you got.
You silly country bumpkins need to be put in your place. And I'm just the man to do it.
Everybody's working with you, Herbie. Show us your stuff, Herbie. What have you got? As the race proceeds, the City Slicker seems to lose the sack race due to some of the onlookers that happen to trip him. Fix your mustache. He's furious and he wants to back out, but that's not an option.
do it a lot faster than you.
That mustache don't Little does old Plushy know that the weights have been stuck down with chewing gum. That old boy will never get him up. Oh! So Slicker's going to tell Herbie, and he did tell him that he had to go first. It just hasn't worked out. Mrs. Hawkins. Mrs. Hawkins. Yes. They're getting a little close, those two. Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. I wasn't paying attention. My hearing aid was off. Oh, no, you don't. That's so fast for me to see. You're not escorting my kitty? No way. Until my pickles are judged and I win the blue purple ribbon.
But I won.
That does not count. No, you guys are all wrong. Stop. I'm in charge here. Don't do anything. Don't listen to her. If you wrecked us up.
Yay!
Herbie's won. He's trying to get Kitty. Mrs. Hawkins is in the knot. You got it? He's won fair and square. All right, ladies. For the pickle judging.
Not until the judges and the pickles.
It's time now, if you'll step right over to the table, and we'll get our two lovely judges up here to the front to taste these pickles.
Delicious! You're wonderful sweet pickles, Mrs. Pugh.
What are you talking about, Matilda? This is a dill pickle.
Well, mine was a sweet pickle.
Well, mine is dill. Well, that can't be you two. The same, a dill and a sweet, both in the same bottle. What's the matter with you?
You're behind this, Adelaide Pugh. You copied my recipe and mixed your sweet pickles with my dills, thinking you could win the blue-purple ribbon.
I wish I had a dill pickle in my house, let alone from your recipe.
I demand she be eliminated from the... Will you quit eating the pickles and get her out of the contest?
Well, no, they're going to taste them again. You just settle down. I'm in charge here. Taste them again, ladies. Taste them again.
Well, I did, and mine's dill.
Mine's sweet. Well, it can't be.
They're out of this jar.
Well, you two are whacked. This is amazing. Dills and sweet pickles both in the same bottle, and they're equally as good. Therefore, each one of you old gals will get the purple ribbon. We've got to be fair. You take it.
I don't want one.
Well,
I'm going to all by myself.
Well, too